a limit of some of these communities are older
Yeah.
and some of them are mid and some of them are brand new. Do you have, like, Florence Tollgate is the crap of the crap? Yeah, I mean, nobody wants to work in there.
Okay.
But if the board came to you and said, we want to redo the whole roof.
Yeah.
Do you have, like, well...
Is it, are you saying like it's a historic kind of thing? Because we just actually did a commercial one that was a historic setup, so it's just bad looking.
Bad maintenance.
We would make recommendations. I mean, we're not trying to sit there and make the sale day one by any means. This is kind of, for those big projects, it is, we got to sit down with a lot of people. We sit down with engineers, architects, like, does this make sense? And if we redid this, is it just the roof, or does the whole structure of the roof have to be redone, or whatever type of framing work? And that would be a group before us coming in to make sure that that's structurally sound.
Okay, so you could go in and say, oh, I just want the roof redone, and by looking at it, you go, no, you need more, and you could...
Pretty much, yeah.